Hey everybody, this is A from CNA's Try It, and we hope you're enjoying our content. So one of the requests that I've received from many viewers is how to apply and wrap the hair with henna, and also for how long. It's another question that I get a lot. So the importance of wrapping hair is huge. I don't usually see this in any of my research when I'm looking at henna and the application of henna, more so the result of henna. And that's what made CNA's Try It channel just hungry to really put some stuff together to make you understand the process. It's not out there, it's not published enough, and I think that we need more people out there who can do this and show others how to do it. This process of wrapping hair makes henna stick. I use whatever I have on hand, and if you notice, I use press and seal, usually a bag that comes with it, and if not, don't worry about it. You can always get or make a makeshift bag that you put on the hair after the application of henna. It's very important to seal in the heat. So if you notice, I'm putting this plastic cap over my head, and I use press and seal to seal it in. I know it's not something that most people would even think to use, but I try to use whatever I have on hand to capture the heat that your body creates when you're wrapping. And plastic does that. It seals in the heat and the moisture, and it gets the job done. It creates what's needed to make that henna stick. I like to use multiple layers of plastic, and so here I'm being innovative, and those grocery bags that you get after you've done your shopping, that is what I'm using here. I'm tying that to my head. Talk about recycling. So I'm tying that to my head and using that extra layer, and voila! Leave that on for a few hours. Watch that henna take hold. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Watch my how-to videos. That's what I put them out there for, is for that content to show you exactly what the application looks like. And let us know what you think. We love doing this, and we're having a blast. Enjoy. God bless.